Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use extensions in Bard AI. So let's get started. So if you want to use the extensions or use the things that included with the Google Bard AI, you have to follow this easy step. So as you can see here, you have to go to the Google search bar, search for the Bard AI. Okay, so here go to Bard AI. Go here to this app as Bard is now a Gemini. Then here we can just go. So as you can see, it has photos also. So you can upload a photo. For example, I can just upload this photo and ask Bard like this: what is the model number of this watch? Like this, we can just ask, and by this way you can just use it. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.